all over the place. I kind of like it now. They got fins on it. I can see you out there in the water just laying down taking a nap in it.
Nice dog.
Yeah, pretty neat, ain't it?
As I'm spinning. I'm spinning. I'm just spinning.
That's because you're pushing one way harder than the other. Just barely put it in the water. You ain't got to put it way down in the water. I said these things skim pretty easy across the water, so it don't take much to propel them. It's a good sized log right there to cut up, use for firewood. These darn paddles get you wet though, don't they? Your paddles getting you wet?
Mine are so short that I feel like I'm doing double work.
That's because you probably are. Them little T-Rex arms. Where you going? Yeah, you're doing it wrong.
Well, how am I supposed to be doing it?
You don't have to grab it where the things are, honey. Look, grab it right up in here.
I'm just grabbing where it's comfortable.
Look, and just you got raise one end up and put one end down.
I know, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But I keep turning.
It's backwards. Oh my God.
I'm sure not going straight, that's for sure.
That's because you're overpowering one side than the other.
I'm stronger on one side?
Yeah, well, you're putting your oar down further in one side than the other. You are just everywhere. This darn paddle right here is freaking get you soaking wet. You better look out, I'm fixing to shove you down the river.
You can be sideways because I'm going sideways.
That's the way I was with this one until I put the little fin on the bottom, the stabilizer. Maybe you need another one. Because mine's pretty good compared to what. Yes, you are.
I can do it backwards. Probably could look. I can.
Oh Lord. Oh.
Well, I definitely need to figure out something to do with this camera because it's very wobbly and
all we're going to do is just get footage of us kayaking, that's all. And then just take it. And it look like we're going to stop and eat or do something like that. I was hoping to see turtles and stuff over there on the farm.
I'm all up on you. Hold on.
Hey, take that paddle and push it backwards and come over this way. There it is. And here we got the struggle bus. Where you going? Ah, you crack me up. The little short bus. Workout, ain't it?
It is. Feel like I ain't
Look,
going
look, I'm
nowhere.
spinning and ain't even doing nothing. Oh, Lord. Oh, look. Water turkey, Shirley. Hopefully the camera will pick him up. Right there, water turkey. Well, why are you going the wrong way? He'll probably dive. He's checking us out, seeing what the heck's going on. He's like, what is that idiot doing over there? I don't know how close he's gonna let us get to him. Hopefully I got video of him. There he goes. Took off. Hydroforce. We need hydroforce behind the paddling. Look at you. I'm gonna run you over, you don't get going. Where you going?
Freaking no. I'm having issues.
I could see that. So can everybody else in YouTube world.
I feel like I have to reach so far over.
Well, that's because you're so far down in that one. I told you that thing, it's more stable than this one though, because it sits down further.
Maybe I need the longer oar.
I don't know. This one longer than that one? I don't think so. I think they're about the same. Watch out. GoPro over. Nah, they're the same thing. Well, we ain't gonna sit here. Let's go.
We're supposed to be enjoying this.
Well, I am.
That means to take a moment. Enjoy what you're seeing.
Yeah, the wind's blowing this way. It feels nice. Hey, look, when you stroke, do a long one, not just your little short ones like that. Well, honey, the thing will move with your arms. You ain't gotta, all you do is just barely move your arms. You're doing all them little bitty short strokes like that and it's just bobbing you all over the place.
filming yours?
Yes, I'm about to run you over. You're fixing to fill my canoe and yours in a minute. You'll get going. There you go. You're going good now. Going along now, ain't you? You ain't got the hangle of it. You are. You're further down than I am. This one right here sits up higher. It's more tippier too than yours. Uh-oh. Pretty cool looking, ain't it? Feels good in the shade.
That wasn't bad out in the middle.
Where you going? Well, we ain't got far to go. The bridge is right there. I can see it right around this bend here. I can see the truck from here, Shirley. I can see the truck from here.